Wagwan, my YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make Jamaican restaurant style brown stew chicken. First and foremost, big up Father God, oh yeah? Alright, this is the chicken I'm using, and this is a 5-pound chicken. So these are my seasoning. I have a teaspoon of black pepper, teaspoon of ginger powder, teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of chicken seasoning, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning, I have some fresh thyme, and I have a hot pepper. Here I have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm going to burn it in the oil. Here I have 1 onion cut up. Here I have some garlic chopped up. This is 1 tomato I have cut up. 1 medium carrot cut up also. This is some sweet peppers, red, yellow, green and orange sweet peppers. Here I have my 2 stalk of scallions chopped up. Here so I have 1 Irish potato. And I'm also going to use 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Now I'm going to wash the chicken with 1 lime and some white vinegar. Squeeze out all the juice from the lime. I use some vinegar now. Cold water. Always make sure to wash your chicken with room temperature water, not hot water. Now I'm going to drain it off. Just rinse it 1 more time. Alright. Alright, that is it. Okay, now I'm going to season up the chicken. I'm going to add all of my seasoning. So that's all my dry rub seasoning. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of blend green seasoning. So that's 2 tablespoons. Okay, now I'm going to rub the seasoning in the chicken. Now I'm going to make this sit for 2 hours before I cook it. So whenever you season your chicken, just allow it to marinate for at least 1 to 2 hours before you cook it, okay? Preferably, you could make it stay for 24 hours. Now I'm going to start the cooking process. To my pot, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of corn oil. You could use vegetable oil also, okay? Now I'm going to burn the sugar in the oil. So that's 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. In this case, you want to make sure your stove is on medium heat whenever you're burning the sugar in the oil. If you make it burn too dark, the meat is going to bitter. So you don't want to turn up your stove on full blast. Put it on medium heat, make it take time and caramelize out, okay? So you see it start to burn, it's changing color. So you just want to make sure that you take your time and stir it, okay? Okay, my people. So this is how it looks. Now I'm going to add all of the chicken. I'm going to leave them at their catch color for at least 5 minutes before I stir them, okay? Okay, now I'm going to stir them to that color, my people. See how beautiful this is? And this is restaurant style. Okay, they don't fry the chicken. When restaurant cook it, they cook it in bulk, so they don't have time to fry all the chicken in bulk because they cook for a lot of people. Okay, so this is how they cook it, the restaurant style. Normally, restaurant don't burn the sugar in the oil. Most restaurant they use browning or gravy master. You could use that also if you do not like the idea of burning the sugar. So I'm still not going to cover it up as yet, okay? Okay, my people. Now I'm going to add some of my potatoes, not all of the potatoes, okay? These gonna melt down to thicken up the gravy to make a rich gravy, okay? I'm gonna stir. See how nice this is, my people. Whenever you're cooking stew chicken, you don't need no browning, okay? All you need just 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Still not time to cover it as yet. Now it's already up on the stove for 10 minutes. Another 5 minutes. I will cover it up and allow it to go and cook. But now I want it to reach a little bit darker color before it starts to cook. Okay, my people, this is the bowl I seasoned the chicken in. So I just wash out all the seasoning from it. So I'm going to add it on this now. Give it a stir. Now I'm going to cover it up for 5 minutes. Okay, my people, look at that. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of red wine vinegar to balance out the sugar. I'm going to add my garlic. I'm going to add my carrots. I'm going to add my potatoes. Going to cover it up. And remember, my people, this chicken take 30 minutes to cook, okay? Alright, my people. Okay, now I'm going to add some thyme. Fresh thyme. Now I'm going to add some tomatoes. Now I'm going to add 1 hot pepper. I'm going to add 1/3 cup of ketchup. To stir. And you don't want to put the ketchup in there at the end, okay? Because the ketchup have to cook. If you put the ketchup at the end, the chicken going to tangy, okay? So always ensure to put the ketchup midway in when you're cooking your chicken. Going to cover it up now. See what's going on. Okay, my people. Yo, look how beautiful this is. Look at this, my people. Now I'm going to add all my sweet peppers, my scallions, onions. Give it a stir. Wow, look how colorful this is, my people. Just going to cover it up for another couple of minutes. Okay, my people, here you have it. Restaurant style brown stew chicken. Take out the pepper. Like this. Oh, beautiful this is. Rich gravy. So my people, this is how my restaurant style brown stew chicken look when it's finished. That gravy rich and nice. Could have this with boiled banana, boiled dumpling in the morning, or yeah, you could also have it with rice and peas. Okay, in Jamaica we have this for breakfast also. Okay, my people, now I'm going to taste piece of the chicken. Never miss. Okay, please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipes to share with you all. See you in the next video.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.